Rank higher on Amazon FBA. A step-by-step guide to launching and optimizing your new product with instant backend keyword changes. Amazon FBA is one of the most popular platforms for launching and selling products online. With its massive customer base and efficient fulfillment network, Amazon FBA offers a wealth of opportunities for entrepreneurs looking to start or grow their businesses. However, with millions of products available on the platform, it can be challenging to stand out and achieve success. In this video guide, we'll provide you with a step-by-step guide to launching a new product on Amazon FBA and optimizing your backend keywords for ranking and indexing. Step 1. Conduct market research and product selection. Before launching a new product on Amazon FBA, it's essential to conduct thorough market research and product selection. This involves identifying the demand for your product and understanding your target audience. There are various tools and resources available for conducting market research, including Amazon's Bestseller Rank, BSR, and Jungle Scout. These tools can help you analyze the competition, identify profitable niches, and determine the demand for your product. Once you've identified a product with good potential, you need to conduct a detailed analysis of its profitability and identify the right suppliers. You can use Alibaba, AliExpress, and other sourcing websites to find reliable suppliers. Step 2. Create a professional listing. Once you have your product ready, you need to create a professional listing that attracts customers and convinces them to buy your product. Your listing should include high-quality product images, a compelling product title that includes your primary keyword, a detailed product description that highlights the benefits of your product, and bullet points that provide a summary of your product's features and benefits. Step 3. Optimize your product listing for indexing and ranking. To improve your product's visibility and rank higher in Amazon search results, you need to optimize your listing for indexing and ranking. This involves using relevant and high-volume keywords in your product title, description, and bullet points. You should also utilize all available fields in the backend keywords section to add as many relevant keywords as possible. Include product variations and alternate spellings of your keywords in your backend keywords and avoid using filler words. Step 4. Launch your product and monitor its performance. After optimizing your product listing, you're ready to launch your product on Amazon FBA. To launch your product successfully, you need to create a launch strategy that includes promoting your product through social media, influencer marketing, and other advertising channels. You should also offer promotions and discounts to incentivize customers to purchase your product. Once your product is live, it's crucial to monitor its performance regularly. You can use Amazon's sales dashboard to track your product's sales, revenue, and other metrics. You should also monitor customer feedback and reviews and address any issues promptly. Step 5. Optimize your backend keywords with instant changes. Finally, you should continuously optimize your backend keywords to improve your product's visibility and rank higher in Amazon search results. Amazon allows you to make instant changes to your backend keywords, so you can test and adjust your strategy quickly. You should regularly review your product's search terms report and adjust your backend keywords based on the performance of your keywords. Example: to optimize your organic skincare products' backend keywords, you regularly review your product's search terms report and identify relevant and high-volume keywords that are performing well. You then add these keywords to your backend keywords and remove any irrelevant or low-performing keywords. You continuously test and adjust your backend keywords to improve your product's visibility and rank higher in Amazon search results. Conclusion: launching a new product on Amazon FBA can be a lucrative opportunity for entrepreneurs looking to start or grow their businesses. However, achieving success on the platform requires careful planning, thorough research, and continuous optimization. By following this step-by-step guide to ranking, indexing, and optimizing backend keywords with instant changes, you can improve your product's visibility and achieve success on Amazon FBA. Remember to conduct thorough market research, create a professional listing, optimize your product listing for indexing and ranking, launch your product with a strong strategy, and continuously optimize your backend keywords to improve your product's performance.